Welcome. In front of me I have TCL 25G, and today I'll show you how you can add widgets to your home screen. So the first, you have to click and hold your home screen in an empty place, then go for the widgets below, and right now choose widget that you want to apply on your home screen. As you can see, there's a lot of widgets, and if you install additional icons, additional apps, you will get other widget. For example, I'm going to pick the weather 5x2. So we have to click, hold, and then put it, for example, in this place. As you can see right now, it appears on the screen when you tap on it once. You have to accept permissions. And as you can see, here we got our weather. When we are on the home screen, we can also move that widget. So click, hold, and then, for example, drag it on the right. Take a look. For example, here, if you want to remove the widget or change size, you have to click, hold, and make that move. Okay, in the other Android smartphones, when you click and hold, you are able to resize that widget, but here we cannot, so you have to get used to it, and if you want to remove, just drag to the right upper corner. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.